In this video, I'll show you how you can create decals in Roblox. Now first what you want to do is you want to open up your Roblox, click on More on the left hand side and click on Create. Now this will open up a new page for you, and from in here you're going to log into your account. Once you've done this, you're going to click on Creations, Development Items, and from in here you should be able to see it. Now we want to click on it and then we want to upload the asset. Now from in here you can upload the picture. Make sure it's either JPG, PNG, TGA or BMP. You want to upload it. Once it's uploaded, give it a name, give it a description and simply press upload. Now once this is done, you will now have uploaded the asset. That's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.